well. So we do have to test it quite well to see if everything still works. Maybe it also solves the issue with the a few SD cards that don't
Ah,
work.
oh yes,
So
that will be
that might
great.
be
Good
interesting.
combination. Yeah, good.
Or maybe it causes more SD cards to break. I don't
Yeah, we don't know too.
know.
I have
It will
many
be
to test
interesting to
on.
see.
I have a different, all different versions to test on, so it will be
Yeah,
fine.
that's good.
Will be
Do you have
challenged.
like a stash that, like these SD cards don't work and then okay,
I have
well
bags,
that's interesting.
bags of this one don't work, this one works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um, Give me 1 second. Because there's three implementations, like there's a FAT32 and a XFAT
Hmm.
implementation of those. So maybe we can like try different ones on the go. Like if this doesn't connect, try this, and else try this.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
That could solve it. We'll have to see.
Yeah, that would be great
Yeah,
if you could work on that.
yeah. In the
Yep.
past with bGeigieZen Nano, I had to take a large SD card and just use it, just shrink it down to 2 GB FAT32, because it just couldn't access the that little logger in the Nano couldn't access, I think,
Two
more than.
gigabyte, 4 gigabyte, I think.
I just did 2 and that was good enough. I
Oh,
didn't I
good.
didn't explore
That is
further.
good. That's a lot of
I
data
mean
anyway.
I mean those logs
True.
those logs are not enormous.
Talking about logs, I got an interesting, how would you say that? Interesting log file from a person from 2017. On I think, um, the Trinity site they went and they measured there.
Oh yeah.
But the thing was that it was a custom CPS, CSV file.
Oh.
So it was all over that he couldn't upload it to the old API, but I could modify it and it would upload to the new one. So that's
Hmm.
easy. We can easily adapt let's say the ingestion of those
Yeah.
files. On the old API, that was a hassle to do that. Cannot easily modify it.
So what did he find at the Trinity site?
2017, that's 7 years old.
Yeah, that's true. Lots of time to decay.
And when I was editing I was testing the MCP server. I found a drive that was suddenly very high level. And then I asked it, why is it that level so high? And it turned out to be that it is a nuclear, how would you say that? It's a nuclear museum,
The-
but they have museum artifacts from nuclear disasters and
oh, from the
tests.
Cold War.
Yeah, it was very interesting. So you can find a museum like that even. I can post
Yeah.
it. It was quite interesting post.
I'd be interested in visiting some the uranium mining sites in Canada, but they're far away. It's like
How far?
Northwest Territories, Great Slave Lake.
Oh yeah, that's quite far.
So that's
Mm-hmm.
3 time zones, 2 time zones
Mm-hmm.
in there.
You have not
So
other people who go there who can test for
I
you?
don't know anybody who does go there, but if I do come across somebody, I will definitely, set them up with a bGeigieZen.
Or you can maybe ask Carl if he knows. Doesn't live too
Carl.
far from you, 200 kilometers from you. Not that close,
Oh,
but
Carl in Newmarket. Yes.
yeah. You don't know,
I
maybe he
could.
goes there sometimes. So you can get your data when you
Oh,
want.
no, no, it's far.
You never know. It's like the guy
Yeah,
we have in
true.
Holland. He
Yeah.
goes all over Holland and Europe. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
he's
That's a bit
been
smaller.
Yeah, it's a bit smaller.
It's a little bit smaller.
But when he goes to Germany, Belgium, and other places, it's true. It's a lot smaller.
Yeah.
That is very small.
Yeah.
Physically smaller. Mentally,
I
I
think
don't
that's
know.
like the size of
Yes.
Ontario. So
Yeah, it
like
is.
all
Yeah,
those
yeah,
together,
exactly.
maybe I guess Ontario is still bigger than.
True.
Oh,
So
yes. Yeah, it's yeah, if you're driving from one end of Ontario, let's say the east, like at the border from Quebec to the border to Manitoba, it's a good 24-hour drive.
Hmm. What else? There was something else I want to talk.
Okay.
MCP servers.
Okay, so just I don't really have anything other than finishing. I've got some extra pictures for the manual
Oh, good.
for the charger, and just to finish that up.
Oh, that's good.
Um,
Yeah.
yeah, but so and then I guess the next task is to kind of have a front matter that says if you have this board, use this. If you have that board, use that. Or um,
We don't
yeah,
have so many changes anymore. In the beginning, we had many changes, but
yeah.
I think
So
we're getting close to the final.
getting close. So you think that version 4.2 is pretty much final for
Yeah, I
the
think
Zen?
so. Yeah, for the Zen.
Okay.
Yeah. That looks
So
like it. Maybe only the fuse will change.
yeah.
But I have to test it. I just got today, I got the PPFC fuses in.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm
We'll test it.
still leery
Yeah,
about
I
those
want
because they
just want to check it, test it.
yeah.
Let's see.
But okay, so yeah, you can go ahead and test it, but I would measure like do it a couple of times and then measure the cold resistance again, and you'll see that
Yeah,
it's higher.
yeah,
So
I will do that.
yeah.
But
Um,
if it can do that, let's say 40 times or 50 times, then it's fine. But if it start to fail, then
mm,
afterwards, I don't
yeah,
know.
it's but also consider how often people remove the battery. Once it's
That's
in,
fine.
you know,
They normally don't.
um,
True.
they're not going to remove it, and really that fuse is just there just in case somebody, while
Yeah.
assembling it or replacing the battery. So that's a very infrequent event. These PTC fuses are for basically devices that all of a sudden it starts overheating. You expect it to overheat or have shorts from time to time in normal operation. So
Mhm.
I just I think what you have there is fine. It ain't broke,
Okay.
don't fix it.
No, but it's a little bit inconvenient for people if they blow a fuse, they have to put it in.
Yeah, they have to find a new fuse. Yes.
Yeah.
Um,
And but I don't know how they fail. If they fail, they completely break, or how do they fail
uh,
those fuses?
well, if you completely abuse them, it will open. But
Open.
normally,
That's good.
just these, yeah, that's safe. But
That's good.
normally, after a few cycles, the resistance,
Mm.
the cold resistance increases, right?
Yeah.
And there's a self-heating effect that goes into it. So it's like a positive feedback. So
But it makes it worse, and it goes dun, 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 dun.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
No, important to know, so I can test it like that.
Yeah.
And if you heat them up by physically heating them, you can measure that too, the difference.
Um, I'm not sure. I would think so, but here I'm not sure at all.
Okay.
Like you'd have to look at the specs
Hmm.
and look it up.
I, I will test that and just put an heat gun on it and see what it does.
Yeah. Yeah, because while it's charging,
Yeah, maximum 1 amp. Mm.
data sheet. There's a data sheet
Mhm.
here.
Oh, Louis, can
Yes.
you the pictures for the wireless charger? Can you send it as soon as possible? Because
Yes.
Wednesday they will have the workshop. It looks like Wednesday or Thursday.
Right. Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, they will be happy.
Maximum trip. Yeah, it's hard to tell. I just pulled up a random data sheet and just talking about solder reflow. Anyway, have a look, play around with it, put it on the heat gun, but also remember that while you're charging, uh, the that fuse may increase its own resistance while you're charging because the device gets hot.
Yeah.
So
Well, okay. So let's see. Let's see what I do.
yeah. Yeah. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
That's true.
Yeah. And if you're really worried about replacement fuses, just throw an extra fuse in the kit.
That's true. Yeah,
You know,
no. I
that
was thinking about that anyway. I normally kind of frugal. How do you call it? Frugal. So not putting too many things in there.
yeah.
Only
Oh,
what's
sure.
needed. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's nicer if you have a spare. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and then that way it's like,
And
well, I only have one. Okay, I blew the fuse. I only have one left. Let's pay attention this time.
yeah, that's true. Get a new one and pay attention. That's
Yeah.
good.
So, otherwise, they have trouble sourcing. I mean, that's not a usual. That's
No,
uh,
low
like
for the cars. The cars normally have starting at 10 or 15 or something like that.
yeah, and it's a larger size.
Yeah,
It's
that's true.
I mean, it's maybe a little bit smaller than one of these,
Yeah.
but not that much smaller. I don't have any on hand.
True.
Anyway, fuses.
Okay.
So yeah, that's it for me, manual.
Mhm.
Also ran into trouble with my Zen that, if you remember a while back, just before ski season, just kind of threw everything out. But ski season's over. I have my weekends back. I figure I had 30 days on snow. It's awesome. Anyway, I removed the safe pulse and to put uh, the iRover back in just to compare, right?
Mm.
Same everything except for, and I managed to mangle the 4056 little charger module. So now I'm trying to figure out why it's not working anymore. So
Oh, I've seen sometimes the the FETs, the protection FETs, they break. I
oh, okay.
mean, I've seen that. I sometimes replace
Okay.
them. If you,
Okay.
and I think it happens if it gets suddenly too high voltage or something like that, and then they
Oh,
don't
okay.
come up anymore.
Okay. Well, I ordered 10 for, like a little,
Yes,
like there's no point buying just one.
no.
So I've got a few spares.
Okay. Oh, they're very useful. I use them in many places.
Oh yeah.
You have to charge a battery, and it's good.
Yeah.
They have even very tiny ones, like this big.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But the one we have
Okay,
is,
well,
well, I tested many of those, and the one I had recommended, they're fine. Normal.
okay, great.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it for me.
Okay, good. And I also have been working a lot on the map. You probably saw that too. So not
Oh
a
yeah.
lot, some changes, and I'm happy that you're admin too, so you can see and log in and see what's happening there.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I don't want to be, I'm just going to be very careful about what I do as an admin.
Mhm.
But mostly I thought
It's
it was
still
admin.
it's still beta,
It's
alpha.
just for
So
users.
yes,
Yeah. Okay.
but
Yeah.
if you want to do something and it breaks, don't feel bad about it. It's okay.
Okay.
We can
All
fix
right.
it. No?
Yeah.
It's not that
Okay,
You can
hard.
good.
always
Yeah.
reset it.
Yeah, I can also reset it.
Yeah. Yeah,
focus
good.
something
Okay.
else.
Just to redeploy and everything will be fixed.
Okay.
And
The
also we have
but no,
yeah, go ahead.
it's looking great. So
It's getting better. It's not great,
yeah.
but it's okay. But,
Well, the
it's an improvement, let's say
that,
this way. That I
yeah.
like the transparency that you can see who uploaded it and what
Yes.
date is on it. That's for me that is a big relief because now it becomes transparent. You can see who uploaded it and when.
Yes.
The other
Yes.
one
Yeah.
is just like you have to trust safeguards. No, that's not the way forward, I think.
Right. Right. So,
Also, other news. We will have an article about the Zen in a in a scientific newspaper, I think. But I will
okay.
keep you updated about it.
Sure. That'd be great.
That was about from a person who does the air, airplane radiation measurements
Oh yeah.
and the buffer from South Africa.
Okay.
So we will have an interesting article of coming up. He mentioned that. We did also
Nice. Sounds good.
an high what?
Sounds good.
Yeah. We did also with them together an high altitude balloon test.
Oh yeah. That's awesome.
They didn't work so correctly. When it came
Well,
down, it broke. The tube broke.
oh, I see.
No, did
Well,
it crash down or?
They crashed down, yeah.
Oh,
No. The high altitude balloon go up and then goes down, but the last moment is quite bonk on the floor
yeah.
or
right.
on the
Oh yeah.
ground.
Okay.
So,
It's that gravity thing.
yeah.
Damn gravity.
Yeah, that's true. But it keeps us here. Otherwise, we will all
Yes.
over.
That's right.
So,
The yeah, no, I would think that at high altitude, the low air pressure would push the membrane to be outwards, right? If the pressure in the gas pressure.
it will break.
Yeah.
This was a special tube. It was casted in epoxy.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And it was compensated for that. And I think there was epoxy and then metal over it in a box.
Oh, okay. It still
The
wasn't
tube,
enough to save it.
no, when it came down, it broke something. So
Yeah.
it is interesting, I think.
I would think that the cosmic rays would overwhelm any earthbound sources.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's not much. If you go up, it's quite a lot, even in an airplane.
Oh yeah.
But I would assume that that was the point, to
Yeah.
measure the cosmic rays.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
I think it was just on the edge of space or just in space, really, but what they consider space, I think. There they go.
That's
Pretty
quite
cool.
high, actually. It's
Yeah, I
80 to
think so.
100 kilometers, depending on who you talk to.
I think it was about 50 kilometers or something like that.
Oh, that's
40,
good.
50, I have to check.
Is that part of the article then, or
No, there's another article.
is
I
that
can send you if you want.
different? Okay.
Different article.
Okay.
Okay. I think that's it for me. I've been working on many other projects, but for me, for the Zen, I think that's okay.
Yeah.
Quite interesting being talking about other projects. I talked with 2 days ago. I talked with Ray about having a secured communication between a group and other things. And then he mentioned Groove. Groove, I think he used to work for Groove. And they had a team of 8 people, and they had about $150 million for the development of a secure system between a few people, and then a chat in it and other things. It was called Groove. It's quite interesting. It's from Microsoft. And then
What
I,
that's
I
not
was looking.
secure.
I was looking at it for a long time, something like that. And then he mentioned that it was called Groove, and I
Okay.
made the whole thing in 2 hours. The whole setup could replicate it.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Yeah. The uh, what I use with my grandson, because I don't want to give him a cell phone with an actual SIM
Mm.
card, is a system called Threema. It comes from
Yes.
Germany. You have to pay for it,
Yeah.
right? So, and it works well. You don't need a phone number. Just
No.
basically just to register a device, you basically have them face each other, use the QR code, and then they recognize each other. So
It
so.
becomes more like a walkie-talkie, something like that. Because only one
Oh no,
person.
you can send text. You can
Oh.
voice. No, it's just what to introduce them, right? It's like
Mm.
I want to like this one will show a QR code. I record the QR code. Now they know each other, and
Mm.
just over the internet, you can use text. You can have a voice call or a video call, right? It's a little bit slow because of the the encryption,
True.
both ways, but it works well enough for messages and
Mm.
like hello, what time are you coming over, and that kind of stuff.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. For me, I think I'm finished. So we have other things to talk about? Jelle or Michael, Louis?
What?
Not really. No, I'm just like doing some development.
Some development
Just
in
some
the
here
background.
and there. Yeah, I'm currently working on the SD card,
Oh yes,
reading it
that would
from
be
the USB.
wonderful.
So that's one thing. I still plan to start on the other thing, the log reader and
Mm.
upload. Um, I do have this branch open, Rob, that I wanted you to test. I don't
Okay.
know if you have had time already to
Yeah, yeah. If you
test
if
the
you
thing that I did update.
Yeah. What branch is
Um,
that, Yella?
that's the
the API.
feature API data cache as handler.
Yeah.
It's a small piece of code that Rob made last week, and I just moved it around to not use too many globals and instances, singletons. But then use make it a handler so that it can get the data from the workers when the workers provide the data.
Right. Okay.
Um,
It's basically in JSON what's coming out, and then
yeah,
you can pick it up, send it to Google Nest or something like that. That was the user wanted something like that, and we didn't have that. So, but Yellow made it nicely.
Yeah, okay.
So I still have to test it.
API. So API data cache as handler.
Yeah.
yes, that's the branch.
Okay, I
Uh,
got it. Okay.
I'm still working on that branch with these new changes, but I'll probably branch from that again. And like
Okay.
if you can test this and still works the same, that's kind of the idea. Then we can merge it and
That's a
just
good
Okay.
idea.
continue with the other work. Yeah. I'm also doing some refactoring and adding some code style conventions. We did have the C-lang format. I also introduced C-lang tidy, so that's like
Oh,
some additional styling.
Mhm.
Just format it and it looks pretty.
Yep.
Like our stylings are a bit inconsistent at sometimes, so
Yeah. Oh yeah.
just to stay consistent with this. I think we can add plugins in VS Code. I use C-Lion, so that's
yeah.
different plugins, of course. But I think there's
Okay.
plugins for C-Lang
Mhm.
in VS
Yeah.
Code.
Yeah.
But sea
I
line
always
makes
worry
it
about
nice. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
yeah. No, I always worry about, like doing that kind of tidying up because it makes a massive diff, right? So it's kind of one of those things. It's like, okay, well, let's do it all at once and hold your nose and
Hold
Yep.
your nose.
I always worry about that. Hold your nose,
Yeah,
shut your
that is
eyes,
true.
press the button.
Yeah, but you can always roll back, so should be fine.
Yeah. Well,
If you
no, but
can roll back, it's
just
a
it
different
just
story.
makes a massive yeah. It's just a massive commit that doesn't actually change any of the functionality. Well, we hope.
Yeah, true.
No.
It is a bit of a commitment to do as well. It always causes merge conflicts and stuff. So if we have
Oh, okay.
many active developers working on the code base, then it's always like, when do we do this? Like maybe in the
Yeah.
middle of the night, commit it quickly to
exactly.
development.
And then you cannot sleep because you have to fix all the bugs.
Yeah.
No, that's the point. You don't get bugs with it. It's just styling changes.
Okay.
True.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe overwrite some static classes and then
Mm.
becomes a mess. But
Michael, you want to say something? We did like. Oh,
No, I'm
Okay.
good.
okay.
but yeah, the styling we can also apply a different time. It's just the tidy just gives suggestions, so don't run like a full formatting over the whole code base. So not yet, at least.
This
For now,
is
we stay
for
safe.
which code base are you talking about?
Just bGeigieZen.
Okay. The device code base, right? You're saying?
Yeah, like the firmware.
Oh, okay.
So with the screens and the workers, etc. We already have a C-length format, but that doesn't cover all the styling options that you might want to have.
Okay.
Okay.
Looking forward to see that.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah,
try
just-
not to make a mess.
Yeah. Well, just let us know before you do something, so we just kind of go, okay, you do it.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. It will work out.
I'm doing this all the time. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Okay. So I
Okay.
will
Have a great week.
I will test the things and yeah, have a good week
Yes.
and let's see. And Michael,
right.
good luck with the other operation, huh?
Yeah. Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
Louis, I had cataract surgery on one eye, and I can see again.
Oh, yay.
And now the other eye is. I realize how the doctor told me, he goes, once you get the first eye done, you're going to realize how bad the second eye was done, and you wonder why you were
Okay.
driving a car.
Yeah. Oh, especially at night.
Yeah, I didn't have an issue with night
No.
driving. It was just, but
Oh, okay.
Focusing
just
is-
seeing things
Yeah.
was my
Just
problem.
seeing things.
Day and night.
That's
it makes you
probably
more
too many hours
internally.
in front of it. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Michael, probably too many hours in front of one of those big old CRTs with the radiation emissions,
Oh God. Yeah, the old green screens. Yeah.
or
All
even
right.
the big color monitors. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
Okay.
We'll see you
Okay.
guys.
Have a good
See you
week.
then.
All
You
right.
too.